women's basketball final 지시야 아니 단단 간주 the women's basketball 아니 소리 생에 runners up winner 건조 얘기 right side 그냥 저기 left side가 필요한가 winning team the runners up team 단단 runners up ने कुछ शावला runners 아니 디 카레 소리 피엘라 아니 메디슨 속초 덤발라 야 필요한가 아니 먼저 방법 단단 women's basketball 게 runners up ने कुछ 와이 아니 야 나 덤발라 계속 this basketball passions 아니 아주 female 아주 시간보다 야구시라 요 말에 팀 시말 사실 배 tough 야구 배 세게 아니 किसी बेला में the women's basketball team runners up team Madison Peggy Pomo they yo ena 아니 they 제가 시간대로나 runners up team Madison Peggy Pomo 차야 kushtabona kubal derona kubal okay trophy shirona kubal derona okay then the women's basketball winner all the way from Toronto Aces. They're members from Toronto. Women's basketball game winning team Toronto Aces. Yapirana. The winning team also gets a packet of shakambo and samba from Sezotes from New York, one of our sponsors. So they get a treat for their plane ride back home, as well as a check. And now for the basketball. Okay, we're going to also announce the MVP, and that award goes to Dachin Wangmo from Toronto Aces. Most Valuable Player Award, Dachin Wangmo from Toronto Aces. Yeah. And Captain, Toronto Aces Captain, championship trophy goes to Toronto Aces. A big check, and a trophy. Hopefully they have room in their luggage. And check for $500. The trophy because of luggage na such a was chasing Andu. Team Toronto, Chicago la participate now.
choose the